Hello and welcome to this episode of the European Traveler. In this video I'm going to take you on the journey from Helsinki to Oulu. Oulu is a town in the north of Finland. And I did some train spotting videos there, and I think that's pretty cool because you don't see Finnish trains that often on the internet, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. So as you can see, here is the night train pulling in Helsinki Central Station, and this is the train I'm going to take north to Oulu. So my car is car 64, upper deck, lower berth. 59. Seems like a book directly behind the engine. I have to admit that I don't like the booking system of VR because first of all, it uses still Flash Player for the booking of the seats, which is ridiculous in 2019. And second, there is no clear indication in which direction the train goes. So you don't have a clear indication of whether your compartment is on the left or on the right hand side in direction of movement, which is not a problem for normal people. But if you're a photographer, then yeah, this is not nice. So yeah, we're going to get pulled by a Soviet SR-1 engine. You can easily tell it's Soviet because of the big metal letters here. All the Soviet-built stuff here in Finland has that. Why is there Soviet-built stuff in Finland? Well, Finland is a neutral country, and as a neutral country you have to do trade with everybody. And of course also the Soviet Union has the same gauge, and so it's a near thing to take that stuff. Oh. 2:15, so upstairs. I think I found it. Luggage. It's a bit tight here, so yeah. Oh, we have light. We have a window, but I am not sure. Oh, that's cool. That's where you put your luggage. That is actually really smart. So you can just put your luggage in there. You have, for whatever reason, you have belts so you don't fall out if you're sleeping in the upper belt. I'm just gonna check my ticket again to make sure I'm really in the correct bed. Okay, it says really lower berth, so should be mine. Really nice. It's a hand towel and a big towel for showering and water. And let's check it. Climate control. Me myself. Some hooks for our jackets. Okay, guys, I gotta show you this. I've set up the GoPro here, and we're just leaving Helsinki, so you can see. I'll probably dim the lights soon to make the recording better. So you have key cards here, you put that in your door and then you can open it again. Really cool. I got the compartment all for my own. There is no one else turning up. I just asked the conductor, or I don't know how it's called in English. Is it the conductor? Maybe the guy who checks the tickets. You know who I mean. Anyway, it's really cool. You can lock the compartment. I'll probably try to make sure I got the key card with me. So now it's locked. Then I can put it in and it's unlocked. So really great if you have, like me, traveling with cameras, laptop stuff. Then this is... Oh, this. One thing about Finland is, normally in Europe you would rotate it this way around. In Finland not. In Finland it's the other way around. And it unlocks whenever you push the trigger, which is a good and nice safety feature. Then another Finland typical thing, you see you get an indicator, you get a handle, but you got no knob here. So how do you close this thing? How to operate the handle. If you do this, then it's closed. Another specialty I've only seen in Finland here so far. I can show you how it looks from the outside. So if I turn it around and it's locked. It has taken me quite some time to figure this out in my own bathroom. So let's check. Okay, you push the button and then you can turn this over. It locks in here. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately it's very tight and stuff. But I think here you got all the stuff behind, so it doesn't get wet. You have that stuff. I don't try that out now because here is the shower head and some soap. I'll probably actually do that. I didn't intend to shower here, but when I'm alone, then you push that down and then it locks again with a magnet. Really, really nice. I have to say that. And also you have to think about that the ticket, one moment, how much should it cost? It cost 69 euros for 600 kilometers with bed and bathroom and everything. So people are constantly complaining, or other students are constantly telling me, hey, but train travel is so expensive, hey, but... And I'm telling like, what? No, I paid 120 euros for back and forth. And this in a sleeping train. Oops. This is really cheap, I think. And it actually is, if you compare it with the journey I have to go back to Austria. I will travel from Hamburg to Austria. And their one direction costs me 130 euros. So yeah. Have to consider all these things. Now we've reached Pasila. So for those of you who don't know, Finland is a country in the northeast of Europe. It's about the size of Germany, but only has 5 million inhabitants, and it is stretched pretty far in the north-south direction. In this video I'm going to travel from Helsinki to Oulu by night train. In Oulu I'm going to show you around the town a bit, and I've also recorded some train spotting videos. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so when our train was leaving Oulu to Rovaniemi now, I saw why it was standing so long yesterday. Right after, I think, yeah, between Pasila and Kepile, we were standing for quite a while. It took almost an hour until we got out of there. And the reason for that is that they are doing car transport, and the car station is in Pasila, and then they had to apparently attach the train cars to the train. So that's why the trains are stopping there, so that can happen. Quite interesting concept. I like the concept of being able to take your car with you on a journey, but you don't have to drive yourself. It's practical, it's more environmentally friendly as if you would drive the whole distance in your car. And let's watch this train depart. Hello, good morning, welcome to another episode. I'm still here in Oulu today, and I didn't plan to do a video, but as you can see, it's another flag racing day here in Finland. And today is May 19th, and it is Sunday, and here we also have a flag. And it is the third Sunday in May. I just looked it up, and it's the Finnish Remembrance Day. So this is the Hydroelectric power plant of Oulu, or rather this is the floodgate. The actual power plant is a few hundred meters over there, so there is a basin which is going behind there. And the power plant is from 1940, although it didn't start producing electric energy until 1948. And in 2003 they added this fish ladder, and this is really cool because they designed it as a river through the park, and it looks so nice, and it's really a really nice park where you can chill out and relax, have a picnic. So really well made. So here you can see the other part of the power plant. The actual turbines are all the way over there. And there's the other part of the fish ladder. They have to cut through those stones, and it goes all the way through the park here. And it's really nice park. And here you can see a feature I found typically for Finland. So all those huge rocks and stuff, they are very typical. Also in Helsinki, and whenever they build something, they either have to cut through those rocks, or the rocks make up at least some part of the foundation. If that's good or bad, I can't say, but I guess it, yeah, it has its pros and cons, I guess. But it's something very typical I found for Finland, that they have a lot of rocks immediately below the surface. And yeah. So this is an outflow that is feeding all the rivers and creeks in the park. There are quite a lot of them. And it seems to be kind of an overflow for the reservoir of the dam. I haven't seen any floodgate here, so yeah. So I have to do a quick addition. It seems there used to be floodgates here, but they are no longer. And it seems instead they have erected a concrete wall. Just realized the problem with train spotting. Well, in Oulu there are very few trains. So it's probably about 10 to 15 trains per day. And so you cannot just go to the train station and wait until a train comes by, because then you would wait the whole day. And so I was looking for a possibility to find out when the trains go, and I have, okay, this is, okay, so yeah, I'm using the Upbeat app, and the data is provided by the Austrian Railways. Yeah, now you have the data, and it says Helsinki in 1 hour 8 minutes, but that's actually a lie. If I add here, show all departures, then you see it's 12:55 p.m. Yeah, the problem is, however, that Finland is one time zone ahead of Austria, or the rest of Europe basically. And so when it says in 1 hour 8 minutes, then it's actually in 8 minutes, because of the time shift. So this is a bit annoying, because yesterday I hurried to the train station to catch a train, and then I realized, well, it's way past Oulu, and I looked on the train radar. VR has a train radar, very nice, but yeah, this is kind of annoying, and you have to find out those things on the hard way. Anyway, now that I know it, I can plan accordingly and subtract 1 hour, and then it's fine again. How to tell that the train is arriving soon. Hey, if you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then let me know in the comments below, and also make sure to subscribe so to get notified when a new video is released. Videos like these are a lot of work, and so I won't upload too often, but I hope to get to upload more videos soon. See you, bye!